students, you are watching our channel, The Educational Hub. Today we are going to discuss the structure and the function of cytoplasm and the nucleus. First of all, we will discuss the structure and the function of a nucleus. After the nucleus, we will study the structure and the function of a cytoplasm. So let's start our video. If we talk about the structure of nucleus, in our previous lecture we have already discussed that the nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown in 1831. If we talk about the shape of a nucleus, so nucleus may be spherical or irregular in shape. In animal cell, it is usually present in the center of a cell. But if we talk about the plant cell, so in plant cell, due to the presence of large vacuole, the nucleus is pushed towards the cell membrane. Nucleus is enveloped by a double membrane, and this membrane is called a nuclear membrane. This nuclear membrane possesses large number of small pores which are called as nuclear pores. Nucleus is filled with a gel-like substance called nucleoplasm. Basically, nucleoplasm contains the chromosome, which is the hereditary material. So that was the structure of nucleus. Now we are going to learn the function of a nucleus. First of all, nucleus controls all the activity of a cell, as our brain control our whole body. Similarly, a single cell is controlled by a nucleus. Nucleus stores the cell's hereditary material, which is responsible for the transfer of characters from parents to their offspring. Nucleus controls the cell division, which is usually known as mitosis and meiosis, and also nucleus controls the protein synthesis or the making of proteins. So these were the functions of nucleus. Now we are going to study the structure of cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a gel-like substance which is enclosed within the cell membrane. Cytoplasm consists of an aqueous or water-like substance called cytosol and granular protein or portion called cytoplasmic organelles. The composition, if we talk about the composition of a cytoplasm, so cytoplasm is composed of water about 85%, proteins about 10 to 15%, lipids about 2 to 4%, and the nucleic acid and other inorganic salts are present in very small amounts. Cytoplasm makes up 9/10 of the entire cell. So we can say that about 90% of a cell is basically consists of cytoplasm. So that was the structure of cytoplasm. Now we are going to discuss the functions of cytoplasm. The first function is that most of the metabolic activities occur within the cytoplasm. As we know that the mitochondria, which is known as powerhouse, so all the metabolic activities are done in mitochondria, and mitochondria is present in cytoplasm. So we can say that the most of the metabolic activities occur within cytoplasm. Similarly, other organelles are also present which help in the metabolic activities. Cytoplasm maintains the shape of a cell, or we can say that cytoplasm gives shape to a cell by maintaining its fixed shape. Cytoplasm controls the cell movement. The cell movement is also controlled by cytoplasm, and cytoplasm also helps in the material exchange, whether it is within the cell or out of the cell. The cytoplasm plays very important role in the exchange of material within the cell of one to other organelle or from one cell to another. So these were the functions of cytoplasm. So that is our today's lecture. If you have any question regarding this topic, you can ask in our comment section. Thank you for watching.